Internet, and welcome back to another video. So today I want to be unboxing this little Ipsy makeup thingamabopper words. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so now we're going to be unboxing it. Not really any other words to describe it. And then it comes with, is this actually? It comes with this card that just, it has 5 personalized pics. You love that. And might actually have what's on the back right here. Alright, but anyways, opening it up, we then have this cute little pouch. It just basically has pink lips on it. Got a zipper at the top. This is Ipsy. And the bag is now empty. So, item number 1, we have this pressed eyeshadow in caramel. More unboxing-ish. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open that up because it's currently in another package, but you get the idea. This is a Studio Fix Powder Foundation. So here's what it looks like. And if we open it up, wow! Oh! Just kidding, this is just the sponge. The brown part's actually the powder. So that's supposed to come out. Now we also have this brush, which is an eyeshadow brush. It's brush 389. There we go. We also ended up having an eyeliner pen in purple. But there's that. And then last but not least, we have a superfood facial wash. There's that. So, basically now we gotta try to create some kind of makeup look with this stuff. Obviously, I can't really do anything with the facial wash because it's a facial wash. But we do have the eyeliner pen in purple. I'm not 100% sure how that's gonna go with the caramel eyeshadow. And then we have the foundation powder. But I don't think it really matches my skin tone. So we're kind of not gonna probably use this one either. But these two we could definitely use. And the eyeshadow brush is just an eyeshadow brush. So now we gotta figure out how to mix purple and caramel together, which I'm not 100% sure how that's gonna work out, but I will show you how these products do end up looking. So I guess we'll get into that. Alright, and now we are in the place where I'm going to be doing my makeup. So I managed to actually put everything back in the pouch because it all fit in there in the first place. But the only two products we will be using are the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. because the foundation isn't my skin tone. And I'll actually open up to show you guys. That is, it probably wouldn't work with my skin. So, yeah. But we will get to be unpackaging this eyeliner. And I'm not the best person that's good at applying eyeliner. But hey, you know what? We might just do a test of it on the arm or something, but... That's the color of it. It's supposed to be violet, so I'm figuring it's more like a dark purple. So that's how it looks. But anyways, it's splotching the paint on my hand. But it looks black, but it's like a really dark shade of purple. Oh yeah, it looks better on here. But anyways, and then we also have the eyeshadow. Which that's a pretty color. So, we'll go ahead and use the new eyeshadow brush. Which ends up having two sides to it. I'll be using the fluffier side and not the paintbrush side. Oh, in case you guys are wondering, I'm not really worried about putting on like the foundation because the main aspect of it is just the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. I also don't have eye primer. So currently I just have on the eyeshadow at the moment. And now I'm going to attempt to put on the eyeliner. But you guys have seen the color it produces, so hopefully I don't mess this up. So, the eyeliner looks terrible. So I'm just gonna kind of do a swatch of it. There we go. So that's how that looks. I'm currently wearing the eyeliner and it doesn't look too terrible on camera, but I am gonna wipe everything off just to be safe. So overall, I'd say that the eyeshadow, it's a pretty neutral color, so it works for like any kind of just like daily kind of look. As for the eyeliner, since it is a deep purple, it definitely has more of a party kind of vibe to it, or maybe something where it's like an event. As for the foundation, I mean, it's basically just a foundation. And even though I haven't tried it out, I would assume that it would work like a foundation. So that would work for, you know, your daily look or even like a party look. But you could also use the eyeshadow for a party look as well and pair with another color. Thank you guys so much for watching. So have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week, have a great weekend, whatever's going on. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and comment down below any other video ideas or other videos you'd like for me to do, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.